This is my box pattern. I decided to go different and not do boxes and do triangles. This is the forehead. Her edges are like super fragile, so I leave them out. I don't box them with a rubber band. This is about how much hair I'm using. I have already teased the hair before I started. I take about a third of the hair that I'm using. I cross them over and I join the two smallest pieces, and it gives me 3 pieces. I'm kind of twirling it funny so you can't really tell how I do it. I'll be sure to put up another one so you can tell. And I get the hair in like my pincher is what I call it, and I wrap it around once, and then I make sure that all the hair is in my other side pincher, if that makes sense, and I just begin braiding. And I braid kind of fast, you can't really tell, but yeah. This is showing you again, but instead of, I'm not going to do the side, I'm going to do one of the actual rubber band braids. You can see more, a little in depth of how I hold it. I grab the already sectioned off part, and I take a little bit for one pincher and I save the one for the other side just for better gripping, just my preference. And I just wrap it around and continue braiding. And this is the finishing product after I have already dipped them in hot water. Thank you.